Okay, so completed our healthy bars and bites class on our first day of the week. That's Monday, and I'm glad I got 4 students today, 2 from Mumbai, 1 from Abu Dhabi, and 1 from Delhi. So all 4 new students who have come and joined me. Yes, one is old, only did my brownie class, and you've joined me after very long for my next class. So today we are working with all healthy snacking, healthy ingredients, all those which have natural ingredients, trying to make it gluten free and vegan. So in the beginning, I think first 40 minutes we've only discussed about vegan, gluten free, sugar free, no processed sugar, all these kind of ingredients that you need to know what is gluten. Now, like, see, you didn't know rice was gluten free. Okay, so this is very important. In the beginning, I always discuss about the things which are gluten free, the things which are having vegan options, okay, non-vegan, gluten options, non-gluten, and sugar free options. Please don't use the word sugar free if it is not those 4 ingredients which I told you that is sugar free. Okay, then if you were using jaggery, please use the word no processed sugar. Okay, so that's how you have to differentiate between the ingredient used, and that's the name of the product that you are putting in. Okay, and now I have also given you a lot of variations which how you can change same product को अलग अलग variations कैसे दे सकते हो, कैसे अलग अलग ingredients यूज़ कर सकते हो और नाम अलग अलग दे सकते हो. ठीक है, so this way we have done our 7 to 8 types of healthy snacking today. Let's start with our first one, which is our trail mixes. We did 2 types of trail mixes here. One is a peri peri trail mix. Peri peri trail mix with nice masala peanuts in it, with a nice peri peri powder for extra spiciness. The second is your sweet trail mix with cranberry, makhana, coconut chips. Okay, so that again gives you a little sweet flavor. Depends on your client. कोई स्वीट देखता है, कोई savory prefer करता है. So you have to just check with him and you can tell them these 2 options are available. Also, packaging can be done either in pouches or in jars. Okay, so jars also a good option for packaging your trail mixes, your granola crumble. Okay, and of course I've discussed the pricing for each of them. So इसका कितना चार्ज होना चाहिए वो मैंने आपको समझाया, और क्यों इतना चार्ज होना चाहिए वो भी बताया. Next came your crackers. Now crackers are the best. I've given you 3 options in crackers: Mexican, Italian, Arabic, or you can use any seasoning like garlic and onion, or something different, cheese powder. Now these are crackers which are completely gluten free, vegan, made with mixed seeds and almonds. This time I have done a Mexican cracker, so obviously salsa sauce will be kept here, and that's how the your guest will be taking your dip with the salsa sauce. For Mexican, which dip is used? For Italian, which dip is used? For Arabic, which dip is used? I've discussed that. Okay. Next comes your granola. Now granola bars, granola crumble. I taught you the granola bar, the packaging. Now this is granola bar with classic granola recipe, which is given to you in my notes. This is your granola bars with choco chips. Today I made small mini granola bars. They look nice, easy to pack. Put them in your bags, travel with them, go for trekking, go for holiday, and you have your nice granola bars ready with you. Okay, so these are your granola bars, completely gluten free, made with millets. Okay, now another granola crumble that we made is again gluten free, vegan also. So this time it's vegan and no processed sugar. Okay, this is what you will call it. So this is your granola crumble made with vegan options. Sorry. Okay, next comes your protein bites. Now in your protein bites, we did again lot of variations. So these are your protein bites. I've done protein bites with sesame coating. I've done protein square with chocolate coating with almond on the top or either walnut on the top. Then we did a protein bar in a rectangular slender form, dipped in chocolate and dusted or garnished with almonds. Okay. Next we did is your peanut butter energy bites. Now peanut butter energy bites is with savory, so I have put some nice masala chutney, peanut chutney in the center. And yes, today we use some rice cakes also. We did our granola energy bite. This is with the granola crumble that we made with, and it gives a very nice crunch. Okay, did you notice I didn't put the nutmeg powder and cinnamon powder which is mentioned in my recipe? Why? You didn't ask me also. Because our granola crumble already had cinnamon and nutmeg. right? So when you're making the granola energy bite, you don't need to add another extra cinnamon and nutmeg, because we already have that spices in our granola crumble. If you're buying a ready granola and then making it, then you might have to add a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg. Okay, clear? Lastly is your matcha bites. These are your matcha coconut pistachio bliss bites made with matcha powder. Matcha is good for it has antioxidants. It also helps you in detox and losing weight. So that's how matcha is used. Okay, so this is how we completed our class. I've given you the option of how to put them in your boxes, variation, the packaging style. You can even do it in a basket, you can even do it in a tray. All these can be mix match and put it in your boxes and trays and baskets. Okay, make sure I've given you the pricing. Make sure you price it well. Think of your packaging also, that how much you have spent in your boxes, in your wrapping, in your dolly paper, in your sticker making. Charge all those and then make your final product, final pricing, and then quote your customer. Okay? So this is how we completed our healthy bars and bites class, my most popular class. I don't know how many I must have trained till date, but yes, I do get every time. This is my second class in a month, so I do have a lot of demand for this, especially this class. Okay, any questions, girls?
आशीष अभी तक तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस नहीं है, बट जब बताएंगे तब रेस
होंगे और मैं बैठी हूँ इधर. I'm here for y'all.
where we are making a mistake, and just now we are thinking it very easy, but when we make, we will
हाँ.
actual.
इसलिए तो बोल रही हूँ, सुनो ना, जब भी आप बना रहे हो मुझे इन्फॉर्म करो कि आई एम गोइंग टू मेक इट. यू कीप योर थिंग्स रेडी कि आज मैं ये टाइम पे बना रही हूँ. इफ़ यू आर फ्री, आई विल यू वीडियो कॉल मी और सेंड मी अ व्हाट्सएप वीडियो. I'll see it where you're going wrong, or if you need a recap, suppose you've forgotten, I'll just send you a audio text, voice note भेज दूँगी, तो आपको इमीडिएट एक रिफ्रेशमेंट आ जाएगा कि ये ऐसे ऐसे करना है. तो ये कुछ होगा. बट हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस, कैसा लगा क्लास का?
Very nice. That we really like doing with you. Yeah, it was
Good.
very lively also. Though we were sitting for so long, but we were like focused all the time actually.
Yeah, thank you. I make sure that my students are engrossed and not here and there.
The focus used to go, but then again, back again to focus, like between here around 12:30 and 5 o'clock.
Yeah, I know. मेरे ये क्लास है लंबी. That's why I said this class is a long one, because there's so much of information to talk.
And actually for me, I have a toddler, so I was very doubtful, but coincidentally he was also quiet and things could be managed, That's why I was prolonging also for so long, because I was unable to manage how I'll manage with him. Such
Good.
a long class.
This shows God is great. He's always there for you when you need.
Yeah, right. True. Actually, I thought I don't know I'll be able to sit on one. I just said, okay, let's try it. Let's see how it happens,
Charmin and
half an hour like that only, I see because all the time